Okay lang og naa okay pug wala ay ang I'm not bothered a bit about that because I said I have yet to decide whether to run or not. Uh, uh, Wala akong masasabi kasi di man po ko maingog muguol kay dili mo ko kandidato. But I appreciate the development because it shows that magtabla na good ni Estrada, who's also good, ni former president. He's also a mayor right now. Nangita pa ko sa kwan. I cannot really answer you honestly because wala ko i-basis o ganong wala ko kibaw ganong naabot ko diha sa nagtabla ni Presidente Estrada. You know, I have to think 100 times really. Because sabihin mo, even assuming na ang what is very daunting na halos ma-discourage is the enormous problem of the country. Not only the economy but the hunger and of course crime. Yung iba because of poverty, yung iba naman because they are really into it since birth. Ika nga, it's in the genes. So, but ang pinaka is really how to lift the Filipino higher sa economic level, which is I said mukhang mahirap yan.